Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you how to batch rename file names and just change them from uppercase to lowercase. So I've been trying to figure out how to get this .mov to be lowercase without changing the P, because normally I would use the rename Perl package with terminal, and in order to do it you have to install brew. Check out this video. But essentially, if I paste this code, it's going to change everything to be lowercase, but I want to keep the P. So I'm going to go ahead and reverse it. And then I just read online, because the rename function is not case sensitive, you have to rename the extension that you want lowercase with something on top of it. So what I'm going to do is rename. I'm going to use my typinator shortcut and do MOV to MOV underscore. And then it's going to go ahead and add the underscore. And then from there, I can do it again and do MOV underscore to MOV to MOV. Okay, so that works. Yeah, just something I'm working on. Hope that helps.